Will you make me one, please?
Sure. Hi. Hi.
Do you record this way or this way?
That way.
Which way are you supposed to do it?
I don't know.
This is the way Mitchell Davis does it, and I feel really lame admitting that.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, the cone came off. Okay, we can have that one.
The messed up one?
Yeah.
Fine. Hey, Lulu. How are you? Oh, you're cute.
Okay, here.
Oh, no. You are so sweet. Thanks. Oh my god, that's pathetic.
You want more?
No, I'm just saying it's pathetic. Sounds like it's a bad thing.
Oh gosh. Is that?
I didn't say one more.
Yes, you did.
Oh, you ruined it. How did you have like a real ice cream scoop?
I don't know. I think we might actually.
Why are you using a spoon then? Nom nom nom. Proactive doesn't work.
Nope, we don't.
Delicious.
I know, right? I missed. Can you pick that up?
I did that with my foot. That was cool.
That's really